Approaching 20 minutes before 7 o'clock, 6:38. Taking a look at the WJZ Outback. Shout out to the control room, tilting that camera up so you can see that sun is rising. We're still about 5 minutes away from our official sunrise time in Baltimore. 31 degrees here on top of TV Hill. I'm meteorologist Rachael J. As we zoom out and look at the observatory this morning, you can see that sun continuing to push higher in the sky. Now, it hasn't quite helped to warm things up just yet. Take a look at some of these numbers. We're sitting at 28 in Severn, 28 also in Severna Park. As far as the city of Baltimore right now, 33 degrees there, 28 for our friends in Middle River. When we look up towards Bel Air, 28 degrees there as well. 33 in Randallstown and in Cockeysville, 28 right now in Westminster. Let's take you over towards the Eastern Shore, crossing the bay, 31 degrees right now in Chestertown. So we have a number of spots this morning where we're sitting below freezing, and it's going to take a while for those numbers to rise, even though that sunrise is less than 5 minutes away. So here's your planning forecast over the next few hours. That fog sticks with us. In fact, we've got a freezing fog advisory in place for a few neighborhoods until 9 o'clock this morning. After that, we'll start to see the sun revealing itself, fewer and fewer clouds out there. Overall, a pretty nice afternoon is on the way. So let's take our forecast over here to our monitor so we can see what's going to be going on for the rest of the day beyond that and in the days ahead. Again, want to remind you that freezing fog advisory will continue through 9 o'clock this morning. That's for our northern zones, but I do think there are going to be some areas outside of this advisory, which comes from the National Weather Service, that do have that risk for some freezing fog. As far as the numbers go, anywhere you're seeing at 0.3, 0.2, 0.1, or even 0 like Westminster right now, those are the areas we're going to be most concerned with, and these numbers have been fluctuating over the last couple of hours. As far as that sunrise goes, 2 minutes away, 6:42. And if you do take a picture, you can send that to pictures@wjz.com, the same email address that you would send for the out for a walk forecast. We'd love to see it, but don't forget your name and location. Let's get into your radar. It's quiet, so we can move right along into your neighborhood forecast. Let's start with the Eastern Shore. Our numbers for today will be into the 50s. Not too bad of an afternoon once we get the fog out of here. Crossing the bay, from the east to the west, we've got temperatures across Howard and Anne Arundel counties right now that are will be sitting into the 50s by this afternoon. Maybe some southern areas of AA County into the 40s, and also some of those Bayside neighborhoods as well. For tonight, we're down into the 30s, partly cloudy conditions. Some of us will wake up on Saturday morning in the upper 20s. Here's a quick check on the next 7 days, everybody. Much nicer for tomorrow throughout the day. Sunshine, temperatures by the afternoon into the upper 50s to low 60s. That's short-lived for now. Cool down along with some wintry weather is on the way for the early part of next week.